Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We were watching everybody else's Dollar Tree hauls here on YouTube, and we wanted to go check out Dollar Tree. We have not been there in so long. So join us while we go see what's new. Alright guys, we are back from Dollar Tree and I got quite a lot of stuff. And it's like a hodgepodge of things. So bear with me, each thing has a project in mind. So first I'm gonna start with this glass. Look how cute that is. It's a football and it is actually like glass. Not sure yet, but you know there's a big thing coming up soon. And how cute is this little jar? Look at all the little sides. Loving this jar. And these are actually kind of expensive in other stores. Thought there was quite a bit in this package. We'll figure out something for these. And look how beautiful. I am really loving the Dollar Tree items. They have really stepped up their game recently. And yep, I needed those. Wink, wink. And of course, you know, you have to come home with some of their signs because first of all, they're cute just the way that they are, but you can do so many other things with them. Speaking of signs, these are cute little shapes. I mean, how cute is that, right? But also you can use this to DIY with. Same with these arrows. Super cute. So we got a few of those. And I just loved the colors in this. So we're going to do something with this also. And then some smalls, of course, you know, you need chocolates. Some of these cute little mini clothespins. Loved this cute little candle. And remember these from last year? These were so popular and my Dollar Tree had them out, so I grabbed package of those. I may go back and get more. We shall see. And some cute little lip oil and a charger plate for a project. So that is my haul. So if you want to see what all of this stuff turns into, be sure that you are subscribed. And if you like this kind of video, please give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in the next one.